What's up everyone? It's me, ya boy, microcontroller. And in this video, I will add an ultrasonic sensor and a LCD display to this basic robot setup. This basic robot setup / circuit consists of an motor driver hookup with an Arduino Nano and a Bluetooth module. By adding an ultrasonic sensor to the setup, our robot will be able to sense obstacle, i.e. wall, person, etc., in front of it and avoid them by changing direction or stopping in front of obstacle to avoid collision, and then LCD will display distance between robot and obstacle or any other message that we want to print when it sense certain distance or should. So without any further delay, let's start our video. I have this plastic enclosure kinda box in which I'm gonna place the ultrasonic sensor. So for doing that, we need to make 2 holes on its surface for the ultrasonic sensor. After this, we need to place a lid on other side of this box which is exposed. Alright. Let's start building. So let's make 2 holes for the ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, I'm using a soldering iron to make holes, but you can use a drill or something. This process is quite dangerous, so be careful or you might burn yourself. Now we need to cover this exposed side of our enclosure. For that, I'm using this plastic cardboard, as it is easy to work with. Just observe, fellow lads. Before hooking this ultrasonic sensor with robot circuit, let's first hook LCD with ultrasonic sensor to get distance. And trigger a print statement when obstacle exceeds certain distance. Let's upload the sketch to our board. Sketch is working, but there's something wrong with print statement. Both statement are displaying results in same row. This is because of this fragment in the code. LCD set cursor statement for both print statement is same, that's why both statement were printing in the same line. Let's change it and re-upload our sketch. After re-uploading, everything seems to work just fine. When I bring an obstacle near sensor, it display the distance between sensor and the obstacle. When the obstacle come closer than 6 centimeters, it print a stop message. This stop message is because of this code. I have use if else statement. Condition is whenever sensor sends something which is closer than 6 centimeters, it will print an stop message. In short, if I need to stop my robot when there's certain obstruction in path, if statement will be used there. By using if statement, I print this stop message on LCD display. We can add anything here which we want to toggle. Like in our case, I'm going to add the stop function in this if statement. So whenever the ultrasound sensor sends anything within 6 centimeters range, microcontroller will trigger the stop function and both motor will stop. Let's combine both of these sketches and make a new sketch for our setup. Now let's merge components on breadboard with motor driver setup. Now we just have to connect a battery and 2 motor. I'm using this lithium-ion battery pack and these 2 DC motor. And as you can see, our setup is working perfectly. LCD is displaying the distance sensed by ultrasonic sensor. So according to our sketch, if I give a command to the setup using Bluetooth terminal, it should work normally, but if I put any obstacle near ultrasonic sensor, both motors should stop working. Both motors stopped as obstacle was within the if statement command range, which is less than 6 centimeters. So this conclude our practical experiment of putting together ultrasonic module with basic Arduino robot setup. We can add other things like a compass module or a GPS module to the setup. Let's save this idea for future video and end this experiment right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching this boring ass video. Hit that thumbs up button if this video was educational enough, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you next time. Super peace.